shit. Never mind. What up? What is up, guys? Alright, you know what? Just cut that out. Alright, guys, we're back for another video. Today, we're going to be restoring the top. Right here, I got the Forever Black. So it'll be kind of a review. I used it before, but it was like during the summer. It's supposed to last a year. But here in Arizona with this heat, it's like 6 months. So it'll be like another review.
Well, technically it still is summer again.
Yeah, it still is summer, but I mean, we'll run this through like winter and see how it goes. Because last time I did it like, I think it was like January, and then it hit summer and that shit got faded, if you can see like right here. It didn't last that long, but we'll run it through half of summer all the way to winter and see how it goes. Last time it came out pretty good, but we'll give it a try this time. So we'll do a little time-lapse video of us putting this on.
And show the camera what it comes with.
Alright, so if you order, I got this on Amazon. I think it's on sale for like 15 bucks right now. It's a little foam thing where you go like...
Why would you rub it on the dirt, bro?
Like this, you go like this, basically. But, and then you have this bottle. I think last time it lasted me, like, I had a quarter of it left. So for an MR2 Spyder, you could probably get away with using it twice, like half the bottle, and then the other half when it gets faded again. Alright guys, so we got the Forever Black. It says apply in even coats, and before you do it, you're supposed to like wash it and get rid of any dirt. We tried that. Some of the stuff is on there probably for life. So just forget about that shit and just get started with this. So
Don't start something that's too much.
Oh shit. I didn't know it was gonna squirt like that.
Hey yo, pause.
What up?
And then while applying it, you want to
Apply even pressure. So
even pressure all the way across
look at that.
with nice long strokes. Don't have to go too fast. No need to be rushing.
Even pressure, but you guys get the gist.
Let me go over here.
You more than they love you, well that's how you know that you made it. I'm low-key unstoppable, mission impossible, fuck it, I'm faded. The devil can riddle me that, no shade at the fallen angels, sending them back to hell which you came from. I ain't no doctor, but y'all losing patience, patiently waiting, I'm contemplating, flowing away, don't fuck up rotation, my homies are all on vacation. I double my money, go copy and paste it. I'm pacing for racing dead presidents. Woo! From studio beds to residential, from the residue it at the bottom. The bull is out with the old and then with the new. Them real ones, I want them real ones. That you know all my life, I've been a real one. Yeah.
But if you get up close, you can see the difference it makes. Let's see where you can see where we.
This is already like pretty much dry. Like as you can see, I'm rubbing my fingers, and well, this is from this is like watch, like fingertips are clean. There's nothing.
So it dries pretty freaking quick. It says to not do it in direct sunlight, so that's why we're doing it right here at night. We got the new LEDs.
It's about like 75, 80 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, you can see the difference right here. It makes pretty big difference. It only lasts like 6 months here in Arizona, but let's say you're in like, I don't know, freaking Montana or Wisconsin, it'll last the full year.
Somewhere where it's nice and cold year round.
And not as hot, but we're gonna get this other side. Or she's gonna get this other side done. Nah, I'll do it.
He's lying.
We'll update you guys on that. Alright guys, finished the top. We finished applying. We only did one coat. We only needed one coat. Came out pretty good. We'll do a quick walk around how it looks right now, but tomorrow I'll get it in the sunlight. So if you want more here, just use the edges. That foam shit doesn't really fit in there, but look at that.
Huge difference. Definitely changed the look of the car a little bit more.
Yeah. And it's drying pretty quick, which I like.
It is. We just finished this part about, I want to say like 2 minutes ago, and it's already dry. So.
Look at that right there. I mean, there's like some indents right there, but I mean, obviously that foam thing doesn't fit, but literally everywhere else. Don't forget to subscribe. But other than that, it's pretty good. Now we gotta find something for. All right, guys. Next day, we're gonna take a look at the top. Definitely looks way better than before. Look at that. I mean, the sun right now is making it look not as dark, but obviously from like over there you saw it was looking pretty good. So we'll see how long it holds up. I'll give you guys an update video next time, but I think it's good. I mean, for 15 bucks, quick little restoration, it'll do fine. And we gotta prepare the car for auto crossing. So I already did the rear brakes and rotors. Gonna do the fronts, I think, next week. And then me and Energies are gonna go look for some parts later this week for some stuff. But yeah, car's coming along.